Welcome to another video of Living a Healthier Life with Modern Fitness. Today we're talking about the popular ketogenic diet and how you can use it to lose weight and improve your health in just 1 month. The ketogenic diet is a high-fat, low-carb diet that's been proven to help people lose weight quickly and safely. It works by forcing your body to rely on fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. But don't worry. You don't have to completely give up carbs. You can still enjoy some of your favorite foods while on the keto diet. Here are some tips for getting started with the keto diet. Eat mostly whole, unprocessed foods like meats, fish, eggs, vegetables, and healthy fats like avocados and nuts. Avoid processed foods, sugars, and starches. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Don't forget to exercise. Now that you know the basics, let's take a look at a 1-month keto diet plan. For the first week, focus on eliminating processed foods, sugars, and starches from your diet. During the second week, start adding in healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. In the third week, increase your intake of low-carb vegetables like leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables. Finally, in the fourth week, start focusing on lean proteins like fish, poultry, and eggs. By following this simple 1-month keto diet plan, you'll be well on your way to improved health and weight loss. To get the ideal plan for weight loss and the keto diet, the link is below the video. We hope that you like the content of the channel. And do not forget to subscribe to us and activate the bell button to receive all new updates.